Hey guys, I'm gonna do a couple songs tonight. I got a kind of messed up right wing here. It's bursitis, and I've had to take a few weeks off of playing, so let's see how it goes. Just about a year ago, I set out on the road, seeking my fame and fortune, searching for a pot of gold. Things got bad, things got worse, I guess you know the tune. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. I rode in on a Greyhound, I'll be walking out if I go. I was just passing through, about 7 months or more. I ran out of time and money, looks like they took my friend. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. The man from the magazine, he said I was on the way. Somewhere I lost connections, I ran out of songs to play. I came into town, a one-night stand, looks like my plans fell through. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. If I only had $1 for every song I'd sung, every time I had to play while people sat there drunk, you know I'd catch the next train back to where I live. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. Hey, not too bad for a lot of time off. All right, here's one y'all know. Please sing along if you'd like, and I'll give you a space for a break if you grab your guitar. We're doing it in A. The Rolling Stones. Let's call it country honk. I met a gin-soaked ballroom queen in Jacksonville. She had to put some kind of fight. She had to leave me right across her shoulder. Just can't seem to drink her off of my mind. She's a honk, guitar woman. Give me the honky-tonk girl. I was sitting in a bar, tipping in a jar in Jacksonville. On the street, the summer sun did shine. Many barroom queen I made in Jacksonville. Just can't seem to drink you off of my mind. Come on, honky-tonk woman. honky-tonk woman. Give me the honky-tonk girl. I laid a divorcee in New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. The lady, she covered me in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. She's a honky-tonk woman. Give me the honky-tonk girl. Honky-tonk woman. I guess I'm just a honky-tonk guy. And before my arm starts to ache, I'll call it there. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Dave. See you soon.